I know you've heard of glass skin when it comes to skincare, but have you heard of glass skin makeup? It's stunning. I'm gonna be doing this look right here. As you can see, it's beautiful. I've seen it so much on fairer tones of skin. It's famously known from Korea, Japan, and whatnot. They like the glass skin makeup, glass skin, this and this and that. So I've not done any skincare, skin prep. I'm gonna be showing you all of that starting now. So I've already done my eyebrows. I don't know, I just feel like today is one of the days that my brows are not giving. So right now I'm just getting rid of any discoloration under my eyes and the sides of my mouth. So I was watching where people, the first ever video they posted and react. I want to do that with you guys so you guys can just see when I reach 100 videos and 1K. So we're gonna watch the first ever video that I did and chuckle and laugh. Glass skin makeup. I've not seen a lot of dark skin people do it, so I'm really excited to do this, maybe on TikTok but not on YouTube. So doing my skin prep now, I am using Claire's vitamin C. Vitamin C is before hyaluronic acid and it should be on dry skin. Vitamin E hydrating mist. Before applying hyaluronic acid, it has to be on a wet base. I'm gonna focus on hydrating my skin. There's this little product that I seen when I went a bit like shopping outside. It's this glass skin liquid primer from, guess what, Makeup Revolution. Listen, I have been using so much of Makeup Revolution products. Hey, Makeup Revolution, they said they've been watching my videos and they love them, so they sent me some goodies which I'm also incorporating today for this glass skin makeup look which we are doing. I feel like if you got oily skin you can still do it. Tell me the skin is not giving. It's giving. We could be done, but we're not done. So we're gonna do the whole shebang, eyeshadow, blusher, everything, but it needs to look like glass. I have been seeing skin tints here and there, but do you know you can make your own skin tint at home? I'm gonna show you how to do that. I ordered mine, it's still coming. To make skin tint, you can use foundation, primer, or your favorite moisturizer. Using the Morphe Filter Effect, I'm using the Hydrate primer. So we're gonna mix the foundation and primer to make our skin tint. It's still gonna have coverage. Glass skin does not mean no coverage. It's still, but it just needs to be somewhat light. It needs to look like your second skin. Blending, blending, blending. Can you see that? I get obsessed with other things, but obviously you need to put a stronghold spray so that it doesn't transfer, because skin tints are made to not transfer. Some do, some don't, but guys, it's makeup, it's gonna transfer eventually. So I want you to look at my previous video when I was just starting to now. Look at how it just looks like my skin. So I am gonna bronze up my face using Can't Stop, One Stop. It's actually a color corrector, but I use it as a bronzer. Just blending that in. We don't want any harshness, hence why I used a bronzer just to warm up the face. So I'm going in with my Holy Burn foundation. Is concealer, it's slightly one shade lighter. Revelation Concealer and Define just here. you know, highlight all the points you want to highlight, but just not make it too much. So I'm only gonna put a dot, because this is very full on. We're blending, yep, and I'm also blending the concealer just to remove any discoloration on my eyes. I'm not removing too much, and I'll show you why. Can you see that? You have to set wherever we put concealer, because what I did last week, I only set under my eye. I'm using a brush this time because I usually use the puff. I need to just remember not to get carried away because this has to look glossy. So far, so Makeup Revolution sent me some goodies, and one of the things they sent me is the blushes, and these are mousse blushes. You guys remember Dream Matte Mousse? It's basically this consistency. This one is Juicy Future Pink, and this one's called Passion Deep Pink. Actually, I'll go with this one. So I've already used it in a video that will be coming soon. I'm using I'll just apply it for now and then blend, because it's super pigmented, but it's really blendable. Using the same bronzer on my eyes. I'm not putting any concealer to kind of remove discoloration. I'm just gonna also further contour my nose with that bronzer shade. I'm gonna use the Ember Bronze, and we're just using a little bit. As you can see, this is how it looks, and we're just putting it on the lids like so. So it's just gonna look like my lids, but you know, perfect. And I'm also gonna go in with a shadow that looks just like this on the palette. What's the palette called? Forever Flawless. Yes. Just Crave, which is this one, and also a bit this one, just in the inner corner. Go in with that Crave shadow, and it's kind of like a reddish tone. So this is a super natural look, you guys. Like, I absolutely love it. It's not my type of look. I'm into soft glam. Just here, just to kind of brighten that eye like so. Same mousse under my eyes, and I'm also kind of moving it in the waterline. Gold 5D Lash Pow, and I think it's waterproof. So I went ahead and put mascara and lashes on. So as you can see, guys, I am very glowy, not oily, but super glowy. Go in with my Sleek makeup. Use that as a bit of highlighter, but not too much, because the glow is already there. Some on my nose as well. Like, using Makeup Revolution eyeliner. It's actually a jewel eyeliner. So it's a jewel eyeliner. It's got two sides. It's got a fine line one, I think, where you can like make freckles and whatnot. Bring back all my beauty marks. So we all know that my makeup looks will not finish without a glossy lid. Lip shape from Makeup Revolution. It's actually a gloss, and this one is in the shade, what's in the shade? Warm Nude. Definitely a perfect nude for darker skin tones. We're gonna set our face using the vitamin B, the super hard, because I want my makeup to last too. So I thought, let me add this in the video. And we've got a clean cotton pad here, and we're gonna put it right where it's glowy, and I'm gonna just pop, and I'm hitting hard. And guys, look at that, it's clean. Another side, pop. It's transfer proof.